my goodness.
You told you in the hot seat, so come on.
Goodness. Well, Amanda does a lot. So
that's because you're Haitian. Haitians, we have like how many jobs?
Right. Yeah, I was groomed to have like 5 jobs. Right.
That's not like if you tell a Haitian 2 jobs is too much, they'll hit you with the bills do not go out of business, okay? So remember that.
Exactly. Plus, we got to send money over to Haiti, right? Like,
Absolutely.
yeah. No. So I've been in financial services for like 20 plus years now, and my area of expertise is fintech. So I am in, fintech is financial technology. So that is all, the financial institutions, how we move money, right? How we store it. And recently I was impacted by the layoffs last year. Last year, I actually had to make a decision from taking a package because they decided to dismantle my group. So I had the option to take a package or to minimize my role, meaning I had to go down in level. And I didn't want to do that. I was putting a lot of time within my organization, bringing a very large network. I was doing quite a few speaking engagements and bringing some exposure for the organization. So I was a little bit, my ego kind of spoke up and was like, hey, you know what? I'll take the package and figure out what I'm going to do next on my own. So that's what I did.